Seosrá an éideog timpiste san ionad ach tríochta an accident in the activity centre. Tá Colleen agus Buachail ag súil go mór leis an deir seachtaine in ionad ach tríochta na Carrige. There's a boy and a girl greatly looking forward to a weekend in the activity centre in ionad ach tríochta na Carrige. Tá an ghrian ag tainmh sa spéir. The sun is shining in the sky. Feicimid na sléibhte agus na crín. We see the mountains and the trees. Tá brú óige imil an lucha. There's a youth hostel on the edge of the lake. Tá málaí droma orthu. They're carrying backpacks. Darren Buachail go bhfuil sé úntach a bheith amuigh faoin air. The boy says that it's wonderful to be out in the fresh air. Agus tá an Colleen ag súil leis an sport is spree a bheith a colla céile, and the girl is looking forward to the fun that they're going to have together. Búlann siad leis an stúrthóir san Ifig Fáilte to meet with the director in the reception. There an stúrthóir go mbeidh siad ag drapanne. The director says that they will be climbing today. Fecinn siad imachtaí an lé ar an bhógra. They see the events of the day on the notice. I measc na imachtaí eile tá seoltóireacht agus sléibhtóireacht ar fáil. Amongst the other events, there is sailing and sléibhtóireacht mountaineering. Tá cuma sása Murtacha. The two of them look quite happy. Tá siad ag caithfh tí-léint a bána. They're wearing white t-shirts. Tosaíonn grúpa ag siúil I dro na sléibhe. A group starts walking in the direction of the mountain. Tá an ghrian ag scuilte na gluch. The sun is splitting the rocks. Tá cúpla scamal sa spéir ach níl bagart báistí ann. There's a couple of clouds in the sky, but there's no threat of rain there. Tá turas fada rumpa mar tá an sliabh seo onord. They have a long journey ahead of them because this mountain is very high. Tá mada ag an stúrthóir mar bíonn an talamh bog in áiteanna. The director has a stick because the ground is sometimes soft in places. Go tuban titan an Buachail isteach a bail. Suddenly, the boy falls into a hole. Casann sé ar a routine, agus tá sé gortathe. He twists on his ankle and he's injured. Is léir go bhfuil sé I bíonn agus tosaíonn sé ag scradial. It's clear that he's in pain and he starts screaming. Cabhraíonn an stúrthóir leis. The director helps him. Mullann sé dó gan an cosa bhoga a thógáil go réig. He advises him gan an cosa bhoga is not to move the leg agus a thógáil go réig and to take it easy. Níl an stúrthóir sásta leis. The director isn't happy with him. Mullann sé dó fannach san áit na bhfuil sé ar feadh nóiméad. He advises him to stay in the place that he is for a moment. Cuireann an stúrthóir gléach ar na seirbhísí éigeandála. The director makes a call to the emergency services. Deir sé go bhfuil feibeige. He says he's got a problem. Go bhfuil Buachail gortathe go dona that a boy has been injured badly, agus go bhfuil othar chóir ag teastáil láithreach, and that an ambulance is needed immediately. Déanann an Colleen iirecht chun cuidiú leis, agus é a chur ar a chuimhneas. The girl tries to make an effort to help him and to relax him. Der sí leis go dtiocfaidh cara go luas. She says to him that help will come soon. Cuireann sí bindalán. She puts a bandage, timpeall a routine, go dtí go mbeidh sé san ospidéal until he's going to be in the hospital. Tá sé sa fictar seo, tá sé áthúirt síos an sliabh le cabhair ó bhirtear. He's been brought down the mountain with help from two men. Der an stúrthóir go mbeidh siad ag siúil go máil. The director says they'll be walking slowly. Ní féidir leo dul go tapig mar tá an sliabh cho crochta sin. They can't go fast because the mountain is that steep. Tá mála droma an bhuachala á chaitheamh ag an Colleen. The girl is wearing the boy's backpack. Nuair a thagann na seirbhísí éigeandála, when the emergency services arrive, cuireann siad an Buachail ina lí ar thiontáin. They put the boy lying down on a stretcher. Tá an tothar chóir leathmhíle ón áit an bhfuil siad inis. The ambulance is a half a mile away from where they are now. Chuir siad fios ar a hismóirí, they called his parents, agus beidh siad ag fanacht leis san ospidéal, and they'll be waiting for him in the hospital.